Okie doke. So this is it upside down? The Bezgar Remote Control chuck. And I wanted to get this just for fun. So we're gonna check it out, see what it is. Man, I love buying stuff, man, it's so much fun. Oh, wow, check it out. So here, this is the box. I'm surprised it didn't come with different packaging. It just came, the truck in the box. It usually comes with like styrofoam and all. But let's see. Well, that's it. So this is the truck right here. You can check it out there. Let me give you a close up. I'm gonna open up all the stuff. I'm gonna grab the part that fell down. Here's the remote controller for it. Super light. I was expecting, something a little heavier maybe, but probably there's just no batteries in it now, so I'm gonna have to put the batteries in. Batteries will go right in there. Looks like it takes some AA batteries, 2 AA batteries. And it doesn't come with any, so I'll get some here in a second. And we'll see what this takes here. So this is the truck, and it's tied on, so I'm gonna have to get some scissors and batteries to make this thing work. So let's see, but here's the manual for it. You can see there's the instructions, and it comes with a little screwdriver. So I bet you I'm gonna have to open up the screwdriver to put the batteries in, and a bunch of little screws and clips and stuff. So we can take off the top, I think, to get through to everything. So that's pretty cool. So let me go get some scissors and I'll be right back. Okie doke, so I got the scissors and I cut this already. So just to show you how I know how to cut. Oh, and it came with the batteries. I didn't need my own batteries, so perfect. So this will be ideal. So let's see what I got in here. So it comes with some, here we go, some AA batteries. These are gonna be for the controller, so let's hook these up. And it goes, it's good because it tells you which way they go. That one up, that one down, and close it up. Now it's got a little weight to it. Now it feels a little bit better. I think just because it didn't have a battery in it before. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so there's that. And it comes with a charger, which is good for the, it comes with some springs, some shock spring. And there's the charging cable for it. It charges by USB, which is nice. And then these are gonna be the batteries for the car. So we take off these little clips. I took off 2 of them already, but we're just gonna shortcut it here, open it up, and one goes there. There we go. And then the other one on the other side. Sorry if it's not super close or anything, but you know how to put batteries in, hopefully. Okay, so there we put that in. And now let's put the top on. And line up all these little things. I'm just gonna put 2 of these on for right now because I don't even know if the batteries are charged to come with, so might not be able to do anything. Okay, so there we go. And looks like it's good. So I'll turn it to, there's a little switch. You can see right in there, there's a little on switch. So I think I did it to on. Press and hold. Oh, press and hold to turn it on. Okay, maybe it's on. Not yet, so let's see, maybe I did it wrong, or maybe the battery just needs to be charged. Oh, that's definitely it. Ah, see, there we go. So we turn it, and it goes. And then we can turn the wheels. And I'm gonna give it a shot. Put it on the ground here. I'll let you know how it goes. Let's aim it over there a little bit. Let's see if we can get this thing to go. Woo! And then, let's see. I could change the steering and all that stuff. So, pretty neat. I like it. It's gonna be fun. Man, it's fast. It's got a little light. pretty fun. I like this car. 2.4 gigahertz. You can see there's the remote with all the different little settings on it. And this is great.